Hey, matey. People don't last long in the West.
Yeah, they do.
Even tell him, huh?
Yeah.
They don't last long in here.
Nope.
So, that guy just died. You want to die next? No. You were born here. He just came here. He just came. People who come here don't last. Hey!
He's already dead.
He's a dead guy.
Get him out of this picture.
This girl, she lives here. She was born here. I was too. Well, no. I came here. I was tough enough to live here and didn't die.
Yep. He's very good at being lit like
What are you doing, mister? We're not statues.
Your dad.
What are you doing to me? This is about to be a black and white movie. What's happening? There it is.
We back.
Yeah, way back in the West we used to do this. But way back in the future, and then we can change reality.
Yeah.
But I don't know how this guy's doing that. I mean,
Whoa!
look at me now.
Look at me. Look at my lip. They're
This
green.
is weird. Oh, it's all fuzzy now. So what I look like in color? I look ugly. I'd rather be black. I'm in black, yo.
That's not black.
I meant black. When I was in here, whatever. I'm in a bubble, yo.
What's a bubble?
This thing. Let me try to pop it. I can't pop it, yo. Yo, what's this stuff? Let me grab it.
Come on.
You got big hands, missus. Whoa, that doesn't poo on me. Let's go back to black and white.
There we go. Look at this thing called a dog. It's a
We didn't know what a dog was at first. And then we discovered this.
Get out of here, dead dude.
It's really cute. Let's see what the dog looks like in block. No.
Stop.
We can't see the dog anymore because it's too blocky. It's like a video game, you know. Let's go back to our own reality.
That guy put. That's not our own reality.
Look at my teeth. This isn't our own reality. This is.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's kill this guy one more time, and then the show will be over. And I'll pass him out. I'll kill him maybe tomorrow.